Hi, I'm just going to demonstrate, our, Tada software development assignment. It's actually, we call it Animal Kingdom. It's a game that we came out with, where it gives user an option to choose animal, and based on the animal you chose, you can start answering some questions. And at the end of the game, it gives you scores based on the question that you answered. So in demonstration, I want to start first with the app running. So I'll run my Visual Studio and do demonstration from the app. So it gets started. Run it. It asks me for welcome to Animal Kingdom. Please enter your name. If you don't enter your name, say please enter your name. So to require to enter your name, so I put my name, Baker. Next, it gives you a second screen. So on second screen, we print a welcome message, and it gives you a list of all available animal on our system, and you can choose from there. So once you click on animal name, you start asking questions about that animal. So we're going to try with the chicken. The first question, bang, is chicken a pet? I'll say yes. Second question, can a chicken swim? No. Third question, can a chicken fly? So if you click, for example, if you give a wrong answer, let's say for this one, can a chicken fly? It's yes, but if you say no, see the game gonna correct you. So because the aim of the game is, and end of the day is just to, you know, to make it, player learn something, not just playing. So if you give the wrong answers, the system, the game corrects you. For example, can a chicken fly? I'll say no. Say no. Wait. The correct answer is yes. A chicken can fly. So you learn from that. Next, is a chicken, herbivore? I don't know, but I just say no. There you go. So at the end of the game, you get your result. So you can see your score is 3. So I got 3. I don't know how I got 3 questions right. Yep, and that the end of the game, and you have a picture of chicken. So I'll try one more time with a lion, and test lion, see how it works. I'll select lion. A lion swim? No. Oh, answer is yes. That was wrong. So a lion can swim. Oh, there's a lion. Does she climb whatever? Yes. Answer is no. I got nothing. So that's it. Yes, to continue, this is the second part of my demonstration. So we're going to demonstrate now our code behind that game. So as you can see on my right inside here, I have my my project structure. You can see I have my data, I have my domain, and I have my my forms. So everything I kept them in order. I have my domain classes. I have animal, player, questions. So this animal is a property of an animal, name, ID, whatever that the property of animal. And this animal, by the way, it's extending some property from object. This object is the interface that animal and player are extending get name or get name and set name. So those are two common property or method that should be inside of both animal and player's name. So put them under interface called object, and they can just extend from and implement whatever function they have in common. So they have name, which get and set name, get name, which returns a name, it's a string, and set name, which takes a string and set whatever name for the object you wanna set. And you have a question answer. So I'll step to animal. Those are animal properties. And inside of animal, I have a stat method called load. What this load does is it loads animals. So list of animals gives you all animal available in our system. This load function. Go to player. Those are property of the player. in the player you can see ID, you can see name, and you can see score of the player. And if you go to question ID, description and answer, and animal ID, which is a reference of animal which this question belongs to. And we have verify answer. What verify answer does is just you give me your answer and I verify if it's the right answers based on whatever answer we're getting from database. And we have a static method as well, load in a question class and takes an animal ID as param. So you give me an animal ID and I load a question for that animal. So that's what this function does. So every time you have animal, you call load, you pass animal ID, then it gives you a question for that animal to initiate the game with those questions. There we go. So now I'm going to our login, which is I call it player identification screen, where it just ask you your name. So I'll go with we're just gonna open code behind it. That on click event of that pattern, what it does is just get name, and we'll check if that name is empty. If it's empty, which means that you didn't provide us with any name, so we're just going to display a message saying, oh, please enter your name. If you enter your name, then we proceed to playing board, where it gives you option to choose animal and play with whatever chosen animal. So that login, and let's go to playboard, which is this one, our main screen, where you get a welcome message, you get picture of the animal, and you get your score. So we just have an event on changing on click event of this animal list. So if we click on animal list, we get selected animal, and we load a question for that animal. You can see questions equal question dot load passing animal ID and gives you a question for that animal.